Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to MOT the Land Rover. So there's a couple of little bits and bobs like putting the number plate on. I've got to fit the rear anti-roll bar because it will fail if it's not fitted. So I'm just going to get on with that now. It will probably advise the tyres, in all honesty. I've put the standard boost wheels back on just so that obviously this is the first proper road test of the full rebuild. So I want to put them wheels on just in case if there is any abnormal noises I can hear them. With the big off-road tyres on, they make so much noise that you won't be able to hear if anything's not right. I've got to nip to Land Rover for some bolts as well. As you can see, the black grille is on, and I'm telling you now that's not stopping on. I prefer the green one. I'm just doing some repairs, so that's just on for now until obviously that's repaired. So yeah, let's get on with it. So these are the new drop links. If you remember when I took the axle off, these were completely seized solid. You couldn't even move them. I'm waiting for some bolts from Land Rover. So as soon as they've arrived, I'll go through and pick them up. Right, 2 bolts, 4 washers and 2 nuts. I'll take you around the dealership, but I'm pressing for time. Oh, there's another thunder down there. Both coming over time. Bolt, washer, nut, another washer, bushing that side. Oh, that's one. There we go. Okay, so far we've done 3 miles. All is good. A lot can happen in another 3 miles. Right, so it's a few weeks later, and yes, the Land Rover sailed through its MOT. The only thing he did advise was the driver's seatbelt, which they all get trapped in the door, it all happens to them. I just didn't replace it because it's just not worth replacing. The only thing, well, I've done 600 miles in the Land Rover now, just short, and the only thing that I have had an issue with was the headlights, and it turned out to be the relay that was faulty, so nothing major so far. It drives really nice. The next thing to do is the bodywork. So if you see under the door there's a little bit of rust starting. There's a lot of scratches and damage on the back end as well, so I'm going to get all that done. I'm not doing it myself, I'm doing it as a professional's doing that. I'm not a spray painter, especially when it comes to like the Keswick green. And then it is time to transform this thing back to how I used to have it. So it's a totally different transformation. I am in the process of repairing the green grille. I'm just putting the black, I had this bit sprayed black. We've got the big bumper to put on, the big tyres. There's all sorts I've got for this thing now. So yeah, just a quick video today. I hope you've enjoyed it. So those of you that follow me on Instagram will have seen a few updates on the Land Rover as I've been driving it. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on there at Livestock Projects. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. And the next video of this, well, I'll try and record the body painting, the repair, all that. But if I don't record that, the next video will be the big transformation. So I'm really looking forward to making that. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.